Welcome back to Cyber Dioxide by Saad Khan. In today's video, I am going to introduce you to our new journey in which we will explore Python for cybersecurity enthusiasts and hackers. What do I mean is, whenever you click on the YouTube, whenever you go to the Udemy, most of the courses you find are basically outdated and they will only teach you how to run Python for introducing you backends with Django and how to do data science or machine learning or AI with Python. But we have very different roadmap as you see from our channel name. We are only here for cybersecurity enthusiasts and ethical hackers. I will not promote anything for black hat hackers, but if you are thinking to become a black hat hacker, you can definitely start your journey from here. I will not say anything no to you, but all responsibilities will be yours. So it will be the complete Python playlist in which you will learn Python from beginners to advanced level, and it is only for cybersecurity enthusiasts. Once again, I mention it. Even if you are coming here to learn for AI and etc., we will introduce AI in cybersecurity as well as we go along the course. Before starting, I would recommend you, if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you are very enthusiastic to learn about how to run tools and best ethical hacking tools, we have a blog page listed in the description down below, cyberdioxide.com. You can visit it and see professional blogs. Excuses will make today harder, tomorrow difficult, but discipline will make days harder, tomorrow easier. So as you go along the course, I would recommend you to stay disciplined and take cool and amazing notes along the way. As you are a beginner, you won't have a proper software background knowledge, I assume. Even if you don't have any programming experience from the background, it's absolutely fine. We will get you along the way. If you are encountering any kind of errors, you make sure you make the Google your best friend, and obviously you will have to use Stack Overflow to get through some errors, because when I was a beginner, I was also the same like you, wondering how can I start my journey with Python? How does the developers who code knows Python? Because it was such a massively hard journey for me to cope with that. But still, I have somehow managed to learn the Python by making Google my best friend, reading some ebooks, taking courses again and again and again and again and again. And in 6 to 9 months, I have mastered it. But as you go along with me, I will make sure that you don't repeat that mistakes that I have repeated. So it will save a lot of time of yours. Everything is done. Let's get started with the biggest basic of Python.